Hi, I'm Cheris. I have 9-month-old twin boys and another boy on the way, and I am a full-time nurse. I moved to Oklahoma to go to nursing school, and we ended up saving money by buying a house. I've always wanted to be a nurse, but in California, it's really hard to get into nursing school. It's like a notoriously 2-year wait to get into schools there. So I started looking into nursing schools in different states in the center of the country. I picked Oklahoma, and in 2016, I packed all my belongings and I moved from San Diego to Oklahoma City. When I decided I wanted to go to nursing school, I had to take out student loans so that I could pay for classes in my apartment, and I took out private student loans that, hindsight, I wished I would have just taken out all federal student loans because the private ones are going to come from your bank. They sometimes have higher interest rates, and the federal ones come through FAFSA, through the federal government. My husband, John, and I met on a dating app while we were both in school, and we both had our own separate apartments, but we were staying in one apartment. So combined, we were paying $1,300 almost in rent. I just had a friend suggest, why don't you look at homes? And it just felt out of our reach. And then after 2 years of dating, we decided to buy a house together. The mortgage was $1,014. We ended up saving money by buying a house. There also are a lot of programs that are for first home buyers, so we actually didn't have to put any money down. I was comfortable in San Diego, but I moved to Oklahoma and it completely changed my life. There's parks, there's breweries, there's restaurants, there's music. It's a great place to live and it's affordable.
Say hi, Dada.
Hey, Augie. Hey, Riv.
I started looking into travel nursing jobs and picked up a contract in Oregon in January of this year. I did a 13-week contract full-time. When I accepted the contract, I did not know I was pregnant. So I worked pregnant with the twins for 13 weeks full-time, sometimes a little overtime if I felt fun. It was so exhausting, but it was so fun. The pay was amazing. We were able to pay off our hospital bills, credit cards, buy pizza ovens because we were able to buy things now, and we were able to save up some money for the third baby. So my twin boys were born July 24th, 2021, and their names are August and River. They're identical. They look exactly alike. Their personalities change by the day. When I found out I was having a third child, I started thinking of childcare options and how I was not going to be able to afford childcare for 3 babies. So I started looking into au pairs. So she is coming here in Colombia. I'm hoping that maybe my boys will learn a little Spanish. Maybe I will learn a little Spanish. And I'm hoping that she gets just as much from us as we get from her. I'm just proud of myself. I remember at work one time, I was holding this very sick child who had no parents. And I thought to myself, I can't wait for my boys to understand why I was gone. They don't realize that they're lending out my heart so that I can help kids like them who just don't have the same. So that's what I take away. I know my kids would be proud of me. I know John is proud of me. I think I'm making the world a better place.